I thought I'd show you a little bit of what's going on. Across the street over there, I don't know if you can see it, a limb or two fell. Hear that noise? Hear that? Tree just fell. You know, I'm thinking maybe there's an ice storm or something. I'm not just sure what, but looks like there's some ice accumulating. Well, it looks a little bit like maybe a limb or two fell out here. Might see that one at the top. And then a lot of my tomato plants, I don't know. That one looks like there's some need picking, but they're froze. So I guess I probably won't have to pick them. There is another limb just fell. If you heard the noise, I don't know if you did, I turned the camera on. That tree right there keeps, the limbs keep falling out of it. And you hear a crash all the time around here. There's a park behind me. I guess that limbs are falling there right and left. Well, I just thought I'd show you what it looks like outside. I had to go get some Dunkin' Donuts, you know, because the streets were bad and everything, so I thought I'd go. And then here's the more important view. I know that y'all wanted to see what Dunkin' Donuts look like. They're French crullers is what they are. Well, I looked around driving home and I found a guy had a bunch of it stacked in my own neighborhood. It's real nice wood. I hate to burn it. It looks like something we can make stuff out of, but I'm cold, so I'm enjoying a warm fire. Well, I was just watching television and cable. No, they haven't put the electricity back on. I got a wire, and I thought I'd just kind of make a mess and run it through the house. And then I ran it outside. See where it goes. And then it went up into the back of this thing up here. And I plugged it in. I guess that's why I got TV on. What do you think? This is what lights look like. They came on. They just got it working. I got lights. I got lights.